Hey divas, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this hair. This hair is sent to me from Kbeth hair, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I greatly appreciate it. They did go ahead and send me out 3 bundles as well as a closure, and I have the body wave texture. And yeah, if you guys are interested in the rest of the details and the specs and my review on this hair, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned. Okay divas, so we are not in our regular setup. You probably seen me like this in another video already, but I am getting ready to construct some units and bleach the knots and all that good stuff, and possibly even bleach the hair. I do have some hair from Kbeth hair, so shout out to them for sending me out this hair and sponsoring this video. So let's just jump right in. So the hair did come via FedEx. So they did send me a closure, and the closure is 16 inches, and the pattern or the type of hair this is body wave. So they sent me a 16-inch closure. They also sent me a 18-inch bundle as well as a 20-inch and a 22-inch. So yeah, these are the bundles. So yeah, this is how they look. I am gonna take one out so you guys can see. Probably the 22. I like to do the longest length because usually they're like, I don't know, I always like to just judge the hair and look at the hair by the longest length because I want to see like the density on it, because you know usually the longer hair is like a little bit thinner just because it is longer. But yeah, let's see. So here is the 22-inch, and it seems like a pretty healthy bundle, especially for a 22-inch. Now I'm gonna run my fingers through it to see if I get any shedding and tangling and see how soft the hair is. So the hair is pretty soft so far. So yeah, I'm liking it, and there is no smell. I love when bundles come with no smell because that can be very worrisome. But anywho, yeah, so this is what it looks like, and it's pretty true. It is true to length. It is about 22 inches. Yeah, it seems like it's longer on me, but it's probably because I'm just short. But yeah, so this bundle is nice and healthy, and it is a longer length, so that's really good, and it is really soft. So I may possibly dye this hair because I'm already doing another body wave hair, and I don't want you guys to get like bored, and I don't want myself to get bored either. Okay divas, so now I am here to tell you guys how I feel about this hair. I have been testing it out so that I can share with you guys like how I feel about this hair and everything. So let's just jump right in. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So this hair has a really nice density on it, so it's not too full and it's not too thin. And I do have 3 bundles, so I have a 22, a 20, a 18, as well as a closure. I cannot remember the length of the closure, but all that information will be down in the description box below. But I feel like it's a really good density. I did go in and crimp it with the bed head crimper. I think it's called a crimper, but I don't know. I'll try to link it down in the description box below, but that's what I went in and did the curls with. I did curl this hair before as well when I wore it, but I don't know, I wanted to do something different, and I really like the color that it came out. I feel like this gives me like summer beach type of vibes or like spring type of vibes, so I wanted to put the waves in it. The curls are really pretty and they held up really good as well, so that was really good. But I just wanted a different look, and especially because everything is kind of like layered, so I thought that this would look good. And the curls are really pretty. I am so sorry I did not get a picture because I was rushing, but when I did the curls. But yeah, this hair holds like a style really good, and I really do like that. I did experience some shedding and a little bit of, so the tangling, okay, let me just slow down. So for the tangling, I did experience that like when I was getting it off the bundle. Other than that, I didn't get any tangling. As far as shedding, I did experience a little bit of shedding after I washed the bundles, because I did wash them first after I colored them, and then also once I made my unit. But that is because I did cut the tracks. I did use the hot glue gun method, so that is why I did experience the shedding. But other than that, it wasn't any excessive shedding. It was just shedding because I did cut the track. So I mean, that's to be expected. But overall, this hair is very, very soft. It has a nice texture. It does not like poof up on you after you style it and then you go out. So I really do like that. This hair is just absolutely gorgeous. I just added some highlights and lowlights to it. I didn't really want it to be ombre. So if you guys could see, some of it is black, and then I kind of like just added some blonde pieces. I just wanted it to be, or not so much blonde, like brown. So I just wanted it to be like a brown and black mix. I didn't want anything, I didn't really know what I was going for. That's why I didn't film it. But yeah, this hair is gorgeous, you guys. And also, I only used like 2 tracks from the 18-inch. So, and everything was so like thick. Like the bundles are super thick, so you don't have to worry about like if you're gonna have enough hair, if the bundles and the closure will be enough. It will definitely be enough because I have a ton of hair left. Like I said, I only used a little bit of the bundle at the top, which was the 18. So overall, divas, I really do like this hair. It is so pretty and it's easy to work with. I absolutely love the closure. I did just go ahead and shift it to the left because I wanted my my bang area, or not bangs, but you know, I wanted the hair to fall over this way because I love when my bangs fall over this way. I feel like it's more flattering on me that way. And also, I did go in and bleach the knots because when it came, it was not bleached. So I did go in and bleach it. I did not pluck or anything. I just went in and added my finishing powder, as you guys seen in the previous clips. So yeah, overall, I have no complaints. The closure was really nice, as well as the bundles. So I have no complaints. I would definitely recommend it. I didn't do this style because I did a crimping style before on a shorter unit. But if you guys want to see a tutorial on how I crimp this hair, then you guys could definitely let me know. But this is more of like a review video. I just wanted to test out this hair and review it for you guys. And at the beginning, as you guys seen, I showed you guys when I unboxed it. But overall, I really do like this hair. It is very pretty. As you guys can see, it can bleach because I did go in and just bleach it just a little bit because, like I said, I just wanted a little bit of like chocolatey brown type of vibes in the hair. So yeah, that's pretty much it, divas. If you guys are interested, I will have all links down in the description box below, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And yeah, if you guys did find this video helpful and easy to follow, then definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous divas and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.